Good morning, my dear. It's time to wake up now.
Good morning, Mom. I still feel very sleepy.
I know, mornings can be hard.
My eyes are open, but my body is tired.
The sun is already up. A new day has started.
I can see 더 light from the window.
Yes, it's a beautiful morning.
It looks nice, but I want to stay in bed.
Staying in bed feels good, but you have school.
School feels far away when I'm sleepy.
That's normal. Everyone feels that way sometimes.
Really? Even adults?
Yes, even adults feel sleepy in the morning.
That makes me feel better.
Now please sit up slowly.
Okay, I am sitting up.
Take a deep breath.
Like this.
Yes, very good.
I feel a little better now.
Turn off the alarm clock, please.
It's very loud this morning.
Loud sounds help people wake up.
I don't like loud sounds.
You can stretch your arms and legs.
I am stretching now.
Does it help?
Yes, my body feels warmer.
Please make your bed before you leave.
Do I have to do it now?
Yes, it's part of your morning routine.
Okay, I will do it. The bathroom is cold this morning.
Cold air wakes you up faster.
I wish it was warmer.
You will get used to it. First, wash your face with water.
The water feels very cold.
Just splash your face gently. Okay, I will try.
My face feels fresh now.
That's good.
I feel more awake already. See? It works.
Now brush your teeth slowly.
I am brushing them carefully.
Don't forget to brush all sides.
My mouth feels clean now.
That's important for your health.
Yes, my teacher says that too.
Your teacher is right. Look at yourself in the mirror.
I look sleepy, but better than before.
Your face looks fresh now.
I think so too. Can I take a shower today?
Not today. There is not enough time.
Okay, maybe tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow morning. Dry your face with a towel.
The towel is soft.
Put the towel back when you finish.
Will, Pooh?
Come to the kitchen. Breakfast is ready.
The kitchen smells very good.
I made eggs and tea.
My favorite breakfast.
Sit down and relax.
I am very hungry this morning.
That's normal after waking up.
I didn't eat much last night.
Eat slowly and enjoy your food.
I usually eat too fast.
Try to slow down today.
Okay, I will try.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I went to bed late.
What did you do?
I watched videos on my phone.
That's why you feel tired now.
Yes, I understand.
Try to sleep earlier tonight.
I will do that.
Do you have many classes today? Yes, math, English, and science.
Which class do you like most? I like English.
That makes me happy.
English is interesting.
Practice every day and you will improve.
I will practice more.
Drink your tea while it's warm.
it tastes good.
Finish your breakfast before you leave.
E will.
Put on your jacket before you go.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, the air is cool this morning.
Okay, I will wear it.
Where is your backpack?
It is near the door.
Open it and check inside.
Okay, let me see. My books are inside.
What about your notebook?
Yes, it's here too.
Good. Do you have your lunchbox?
Yes, you packed it for me.
Please eat it at school.
E promise.
Do you have your phone?
Yes, it's in my pocket.
Don't use it too much.
I won't.
Are you ready to leave now?
Yes, I am ready.
Be careful on the way.
I will be careful.
The weather feels nice today.
Yes, the sun is warm.
Morning air feels fresh.
I like walking in the morning.
Do you still feel sleepy?
Not much now.
Walking helps your body wake up.
I feel more active.
Do you remember your lessons today?
Yes, especially math.
Just focus and stay calm.
I will try my best.
Do you feel nervous about school?
Sometimes, yes.
That's normal.
Really?
Yes, everyone feels nervous sometimes.
That makes me feel better.
You are doing great.
Thank you, Mom.
Look, your school is near now.
Yes, I can see the gate.
Time goes fast in the morning.
It really does. I see my friends over there.
Go and say hello to them.
Okay, I will.